Well, first up, let's begin with this breaking update. Sources say that the government has now issued a notice to Telegram over widespread piracy, with the INB ministry directing Telegram to take immediate measures against pirated films and OTT content and submit action taken report in 15 days. Now, the government's action is to protect India's creator economy and the film industry and broadcasters and the OTT platforms and producers and distributors as well. Now, this development is coming with the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has notified Telegram over the widespread dissemination of pirated films, OTT content and other audio-visual material through its platform. Kritika, good afternoon. We are learning that Telegram has now been asked by the government through sources to strengthen the systems for detection and for reporting and disabling access to remove pirated films and infringing audio-visual content. Well, it is being said that the government has now directed Telegram to act against repeat infringers, including channels, groups, bots, accounts, and also administrators and associated entities as well. And the ministry has saw details of the Telegram's grievance redressal system for producers, for OTT platforms, and also for the law enforcement agencies. Meanwhile, Telegram has now been given about 15 days to submit an action taken report on the steps that has been taken to prevent, detect and remove pirated content from the platform. Yes, Kritika, what is the government now asking Telegram to do?
Well, Amita, the government is in a very stern way asking the platform to take, in fact, a wholesome action against piracy of content. Now, this is coming in as a step to back creator economy. Remember, Telegram is, in fact, quite infamous for hosting a lot of pirated content. There are a lot of bot channels account as well, wherein, in fact, a lot of series as well as films can be accessed, and it has been misused in the past and even as of the moment that we speak. And now the government is, in fact, instructing the platform to take a bigger action and not just, in fact, investigate channels by channels. The government is also stating that the admins of such, in fact, channels can also face action. So this is a larger coercive action that the government is issuing against Telegram. A period of 15 days is being given to the platform to, in fact, reply with the action that they will be able to take. Over to you, Amita.
Right, but Kritika, when we speak of the government's intention, because it seeks that the communication signal is a clear shift when it comes to a piecemeal takedown of the platform accountability. So what we are now looking at actually at the deadline that the government has asked Telegram to act on it.
Right, so 15 days has been given to Telegram in order to come up with the fresh, in fact, guidelines that would enable the...
Please to stay on with us, Kritika. I'm told Mr. Amit Dubey, cyber expert, is with us on the phone line. Mr. Dubey, good afternoon. Now, this is coming in straight from the INB ministry, sir, directing Telegram to take immediate measures against pirated films and OTT content and also to submit an action taken report in 15 days. What do you make of it?
I think this was a well-required move by Government of India, because Telegram or Discord or such kind of channels, they have become the hub of pirated content and also to sell the illegal stuff, including drugs and other pornographic content. So this was a well required move, and I think we should have a very clear guidelines for these platforms, because they provide anonymous handles, and because of this anonymity, criminals are very active on Telegrams and Discord, and all these teenage kids are also very active because they get free gaming content and also streaming servers or coins easily on it. I think this is not limited to only child pornographic issue, but it is beyond that. It is actually hampering our economy. It is creating illegal e-commerce platform for all these kind of pirated content, and that has to be stopped. That has to be regulated, where nobody is taking accountability and responsibility. And this has been happening since many years. Yes.
Right, sir. Thank you very much, Mr. Dubey, for your point of view. So the government action and the intention here is to protect India's creator economy, the film industry, the broadcasters, the OTT platforms, producers and also distributors, and the Ministry of INB, which has notified Telegram over the widespread dissemination of pirated films, OTT content and other audiovisual material through its platform. And now what we are learning that Telegram has now been asked to strengthen the systems for detection, for reporting, for disabling access and to also removal of pirated films and infringing audio visual content. Now it is being directed to act against repeat infringers, including channels, groups, bots, accounts, and also administrators and associated entities. And the ministry, meanwhile, has sought details from Telegram's grievance redressal system for producers, OTT platforms, and law enforcement agencies, where it has now been given about 15 days' time to submit an action taken report on the steps that has been taken to prevent, to detect, and to remove pirated content from the platform. So the communication signals a clear shift from the piecemeal takedown, and especially when it comes to the platform accountability. Let's in the meantime shift focus